Hello and welcome to a quick little introduction to the LRM spatial view for BCTS. This demo will be focused on introducing the spatial view to you. The goal is here to be able to navigate it, use it for navigation. We'll save editing and some more advanced stuff for a future session. So first question is, how do you find the spatial view? If it's not open, you can open it by clicking on this button. When you click on it, it actually sets up a tab down here beside your tabular view called Spatial View. Okay. It's divided into two main parts. There's a table of contents area and a place where you see your spatial data. You can add layers to this table of contents in two different ways. First way is probably the easiest, is as you work through the tree view and you add feature or you're looking at things, the system will automatically be anticipating what you're doing and be adding layers to your map. So if I find a road here, it'll show it to me. If I go to silviculture and add standard units, I'll see that layer show up. Okay. Once I've seen some data I want, I've got zooming tools that you probably are familiar with from other environments. I can also pan around if I want. I can also, in the map, I can choose to select features that I want to go find what they are. Okay. So I'm going to, in this case, click on a road. I want to know what this road is, so I'll select it, and we can see in the tree view it's going to go find me that road. If I want to go see what this road is here, same thing. I can select it, and it'll work with the tree view to go find it for me. And then vice versa, if I change my road in the tree view, it's going to change the map I'm looking at. So everything's kind of connected at this point. There's some other layers I might want to see from time to time. Your layers are organized under system data, and this will be done in advance for you. This is what the administrators work on in the setup steps. And we've got a lot of layers to choose from. The ones in blocks, roads, and silviculture are kind of part of the LRM application. There will be things like base and potentially some other folders here that divide up other data that you might want to be available for you. I'm just going to turn on an imagery layer for our demo here, and you can see it zooms us out to a strange place and then brings us back. I'm going to move it down to the bottom so we can see our blocks and roads on top, and then I'm going to zoom out to a scale that we can work with here. Okay. So that's nice and easy, and lots of information can be available from a variety of sources here. You may also want to add data from a shapefile or something that you have. If you do that, you can go into the Add Other Data, and this opens up a folder browser where you can navigate to your shapefile or whatever you want to see. Okay, those are your main tools in here. If you have data that you want to come from a different source, you can identify it by clicking on it, and it'll tell you information about the attributes for it. You can do measuring in here. You can a few other things you can do. We can also export our spatial view to an image file or a shape file if we want. We can also take our selections in here and run them through Map Manager, Report Manager, or add them to our working sets. We've got a lot of choices as to what to do here. There's a lot of options in here around how we want the system to work for us. Each user can set on those types of things as they need to. And I think that's about it for our quick little intro. So hopefully this has been helpful. Watch for additional videos with more information in them as we build out our project here. Thank you.